Renew has worked phenomenally with my complete knee replacement, and the journey for recovery was excellent, shortened in time. And I also want to thank you for sending me the sample patches. I put them on my knee every day, whether it was for physical therapy or whether it was for using the nice ice machine or the knee bending machine. It helped me progress from the walker to using one crutch. Uh, I never had any problems going up and down stairs. The discomfort was minimal going up and down stairs. The surgeon was like, "What have you done?" And I said, "I've been using some extra special energy." And I explained it to him, and he was like, "Really?" So he was impressed. And the physical therapist, which is also my chiropractor, and I've had him since 1997, he had me up to 120 degrees in 2.5 weeks. And both professionals were like, "How are you doing this?" And I said, "I'm doing exactly what the doctor says, and I'm following the directions on the renew, and the energy is phenomenal."